Hello! I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing video for this, but let's do it anyway, because it's another NightBloomimg package, and this time it's from Melissa's own new store that I got an early access to as a Patreon. So it's not from Etsy, it's her store, and everything I bought for my own money will go directly to Melissa. So, why not share this? And if you do buy from her, because as always I'm not sponsored, I just love her products, I do recommend in first hand buying from her own store. I will link it down below. Let's see if I can get into this. And if you do have any questions about anything about Melissa's products, you can always ask her. She's like the kindest person, store owner in the world, always willing to help. So this video have to be quick because I have to eat something soon and then head off to work. So it would be good if I could break into this package. It's good that it's secure. So, because I don't trust the local or Swedish postal delivery service. So, this is very well wrapped. See? Here's a card. You get one with every package. I got quite a few using as bookmarks. See? Let's start with this. I know what it is, I think. She got this pretty shape around all of her things. So, let's talk real quick about this. This is the alluvial chelating crystal rinse. This is a product that I've been using for years, but last time I bought this, I did not buy the jar. I just bought the paper package because I needed to keep the shipping costs down, because in Sweden we have to pay taxes and fees, and if we get over a certain amount of money we have to pay even more. So last time I just bought the package, but this time I bought the jar because I wanted this pretty jar instead of what I have, and this super helpful spoon. So you just take this and 1 liter of quite warm but not boiling hot water, put it in, mix, and then you use it for your hair, and you use it for against mineral build-up. We have our own well, our own water supply, and we got lots and lots of mineral in it. So after a while my ends especially can begin to feel like straws. So what I do then is that I use this for around 10, I think, minutes before showering. I cover all my hair in it and then I rinse it off to remove the buildup, and to prevent it building up as fast I am using that as a last rinse after washing my hair. It's also good because it has a lower pH. Is it pH in English too? I think so. And your scalp and hair wants that. They are supposed to be a lower pH. So if you use something that's alkaline, it can mess up your scalp, making it itchy, and your cuticles won't shut they will leave your hair quite tangled. So it's good for that too. And so if I'm rambling, I have to go to work soon. And this is one of my all-time favorite products too. It was actually amongst the first that I bought. It's the Selkie Herbal Detangler Refill. I have the spray bottle since the first time I bought it, and it's awesome. You can spray it and just your tangles will magically disappear, of course, but it will make it so much easier and leave the hair less dry. Yes, I've talked about it in every video I made, I think. So I'm usually placing an order when my spray, detangling spray, is running out. Thank you, Melissa, for sending me this bonus. So this is, I talked about how she uses this pretty tape on all of her packages. I can't speak today, sorry. Okay, this plastic just wants to stick to my hand. So she sent me some of this pretty tape. So in her new store, there's something called moon seeds. And it's like points you collect for being a Patreon. Like that amount of money you sponsor her with on Patreon, that's the amount of moon seeds you get every month. And then you get more moon seeds for having a birthday, leaving a comment, leaving a review, and so on. And this is one of the things that you can buy, but I got it as a special bonus because Melissa's awesome. I was planning on getting one with my next order because it's so pretty. I've also used my moon seeds to buy 2 of her ebooks, one about henna and one about mending damaged hair. I'm about halfway through the henna one, and I think it's great. I used henna and indigo to dye my hair for years, and there's still a lot that I can learn from the book. That's great. So check them out too, those books. I expect that I will like the other one about damaged hair just as much. It smells lovely from this package. So this is the Aurelia oil. It's from one of the characters in her books. I recommend those too, the fantasy books. And this, together with the Raven Queen oil, that's another older oil blend, are my favorites because they smell so awesome and my hair absolutely loves them. Sorry. So first I usually spray some detangling spray in my hair, and then I just take, let's see, it's good to shake them before, by the way, and this can wear off, so put some clear, crystal clear tape over it. So I just usually take a few drops in my hands and then I rub it into my hair. I take more than that. But if I just want to smell nice, I can also just take a few drops and then I will just put it onto my bun or neck or whatever. It's good as a cuticle oil too. Lots of uses. So that is one of my favorites, recommend it. And this is another oil from her book. It smells like one of the characters, Zephon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I got a small sample with my last order and I loved it. So the Aurelia oil is kind of sweet smell, reminds me of summer. And this is like a bit stronger, like forest smell or whatever. You can't read on a page what they're supposed to smell like, but I love this too a lot. Yes. And the last one is a mister. So it's not for your hair, it's like a mild perfume thing with This one is called Triple Moon. So I bought, with my first orders many years ago, I bought the detangling spray, as I said, instead, but you can't see it. And I also bought the Triple Moon oil and the dry shampoo, and I really like the smell of it. So this time I thought that I would buy the mixture. So you can just kind of spray it on or in a cloud and walk through it, or on your clothes or whatever. Yes, it's still a very nice smell. And by the way, my last video I had some trouble spraying with one of the bottles, and it was as easy as unscrewing it, putting it back, and then it worked. So if you do have trouble, I've only had trouble with one bottle ever, and that was the solution. So my Triple Moons can now smell like Triple Moons. Triple Moon. Ah. Yeah. That should be all. That was what I bought. And I look forward to using all of these things. So they are all-time favorites already. And if you are planning on buying from Melissa, these are some of the products that I recommend. If you have hard water or problems with mineral buildup, or just dry hair, I recommend that you try the alluvial. And I also recommend for everyone, the first time shopping from Melissa, the detangling spray. It's awesome. And her oils are also awesome, but you can choose whatever oil you like. So that was my very quick, or not so quick, I don't know, quite quick rambling and unboxing my NightBloomimg stuff. So what did you think? Have you bought from Melissa? Do you want to? Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below or somewhere on the internet about anything, I don't know. And I will see you next time. Bye!